A new wave of adaptive AI systems is being designed to forecast urban wildfire risk in real time by fusing street-level sensors with satellite imagery and weather data. Experts say these models, trained to detect early smoke plumes and shifting wind patterns, could warn residents hours before flames arrive and guide evacuation and resource deployment. However, challenges include data privacy concerns for neighborhood cameras, algorithmic bias in high-risk zones, and the need for transparent decision processes that communities can trust. Researchers emphasize collaboration with local authorities to ensure equitable alerts and avoid alarm fatigue. If scaled responsibly, these tools could redefine city resilience against wildfires and protect vulnerable populations.